Hello friends, today we will see the topic cost estimation and its approaches. In first part we see what exactly cost estimation is, and in second part we'll see different approaches for cost estimation. So what exactly cost estimation is? So cost estimation is nothing but the approximate amount that we decide for anything. For example, if we want to purchase a land or purchase a home, we have to estimate the cost of that home, and if that is affordable to us, we may purchase that home. So that is the estimation. Now here we are going to study how software cost estimation has been calculated. So cost estimation is the prediction. Cost estimation is nothing but the prediction, and this prediction is the range of window rather than a single number. So when you predict something or when you estimate something, that is a range of window or that is the range of some values. It is not a single fixed number. In advance आप कोई भी चीज़ की कॉस्ट एग्जैक्ट प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. वो जो कॉस्ट होती है उसकी कुछ रेंज होती है और वो रेंज को बोला जाता है एस्टिमेशन. So the prediction is the range of window and rather than a single number. An estimate is not a target, it is the probabilistic assessment, so that the value produced as an estimate is really the center of range. So that is the probabilistic assessment. What is the probable value? What are the probable investment in the estimation? So that we have to calculate. So it is actually the center of the range. So in this diagram we can see that an estimate as a median of probable results. So estimate, if there is one median line, and that is the estimate of a project. So number of on x-axis we have number of months to complete the project, and that there is one estimate. So that is the estimated value or that is the average value of probable values, probable interval. So from that graph we can compute the probability that any project based on given requirement will be completed within time interval t1 to t2. So first half is for example t1 and second half is t2. So t1 is 4 for example in this diagram, and t2 is 20. So from graph we can compute the probability that any project based on the given requirement will be completed within, for the diagram, 4 and 20, that is T1 and T2. The probability is simply the area under the curve between T1 and T2, as shown in this diagram. The area under the curve, that is A plus B. So that is the probability is simply the area under the curve between T1 and T2. Formally, the estimate is defined as the median of the distribution. So in the diagram, the median value gives you the estimation. To indicate the window, estimate should be presented as a triple. So window is nothing but the range. Window is nothing but the range. Estimation की range क्या होगी? So that range can be indicated by three values. First is most likely values, that is median of the distribution. Second is lower value, and third is upper bound value. So there are three values: most likely value, that is average value, lower value, and upper bound value. So those three values are used to indicate the window, or it is used to indicate the range of the estimate. Now while estimating we have to give our attention to accuracy also. So we see evaluating the estimation accuracy. Suppose E is the estimated value and A is the actual value. Estimated value and A is the actual value. इसका मतलब ये है कि एस्टिमेटेड, फॉर एग्जांपल हमें एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करना है और उसके लिए हमने एक एस्टिमेशन निकाला, अप्रॉक्सीमेट कॉस्ट निकाली कि दैट प्रोडक्ट जो रहेगा, वो जो प्रोडक्ट है सॉफ्टवेयर का, उसको फॉर एग्जांपल 1,00,000 आपको लगने वाले हैं. लेकिन जब आपने डेवलप किया तो उसको जो वैल्यू लगी या उसको जो कॉस्ट लगी, दैट इज़ 1.5 लाख. ओके, दैट इज़ 1.5 लाख. सो एक्चुअल वैल्यू मे बी लेस, एक्चुअल वैल्यू मे बी मोर, एंड ई इज़ द एस्टिमेटेड वैल्यू जो डेवलप करने से पहले हमने एस्टिमेशन निकाला है. The relative error in estimate is, so from the actual value and estimated value we can calculate the error. and this error, that is relative error, is equal to a minus e upon a. That means actual value upon minus estimated value upon actual value. If estimate is greater than the actual value, the relative error is negative. If estimate value is less than the actual value, the error is positive. So here mean relative error for n project. So if there are n number of projects, so what is the minimum relative error, mean relative error? So it is obviously the average of mean relative errors of n projects. So formula is very simple. Relative error is equal to 1 upon n summation of relative error of all n projects. It is the summation of relative error of on all n projects. So it is the summation, that's why sigma is used here. Summation or sigma I is equal to 1 to n REI. इसका मतलब है कि रिलेटिव एरर फ्रॉम आई टू एन. एन नंबर ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट आपके पास है तो हर प्रोजेक्ट में क्या एरर आएगी, डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट. तो जो भी वैल्यू आएगी दैट इज़ योर मीन रिलेटिव एरर. मीन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द रिलेटिव एरर, अगेन very similar formula, MRE, that is magnitude relative error or mean of magnitude relative error is equal to 1 upon m summation I is equal to 1 to n MREI. So upper formula and lower formula is very much similar. And if this value is small, our estimate is good. Obviously if the error is small, our estimate is good. So these are the values, or these are some formulas which are used to calculate the error in the cost estimation. So that's all about cost estimation. Thank you for listening.